one way of doing the loop where you can keep repeating this statement until a user gives you a valid number is, you can say keep doing this, do, I'll get rid of this comment for now, keep doing this while, no semicolon here, okay, because the loop is still continuing. This semicolon is a statement within the block. Keep doing something while. So as long as is not a number true. So number is a variable, and as long as the function is not a number, checks it and says it is not a number. So this bracket must evaluate to true. Conditions must be true for the next bracket to work. So as long as it is true, keep repeating. I'm going to comment out this block with a slash and a star and a star and a slash. So as long as it is true, it's going to keep giving us the prompt. Okay, let me try it. So I give it a text, 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 number, it goes through. Okay, number goes through. So that was the old one, but text, text and number goes through. Okay, this do while a particular condition is true, repeat it. That's one way of doing it. Now let's get our ifs again. But before we repeat it, we want to give a message. And that's the message. So what we have done is, user has given us a number. If it's true that it's not a number, we give a message before we end the loop and run it again. Okay. We can put the else inside it, but in this case I'm just going to say after the loop ends, just give the number. So understand this. I have modified this a bit. I'm going to do something. As long as and that something is, I will seek input for a number, and as long as that input is not a number, I'll keep doing it. But before I go and check whether it's not a number, I'm going to do my own check for a message. Oh, it's not a number, sorry you didn't enter a number, and do the loop again. So let's see if this works. So if I don't give it a number, it says sorry you didn't enter a valid number, my message has a spelling mistake. If I say delete 1 2 3, sorry 1 2 3 delete, it will pass it to 1 2 3 and it will be fine. The number you entered was 1 2 3. So just a few things. Enter, and let me put a break sign here, the break tag, so all the messages come in a new line. So now when I just refresh this, so I didn't enter a valid number, I didn't enter a valid number, the number you entered was 234 234. So this has got a loop, a do while loop. I'll put a comment here, do while loop. Check for giving an error message. So that's what the if statement is. And loop runs as long as bracket evaluates to true. And let me show you what I mean by this evaluating to true. Okay, let me put here alert is a number. Okay, I've got an alert here just to show you something. If I run this code, if I give it a number, the alert shows me false. Why did it show me false? I gave it a number because he's checking whether is not a number. When I give it a number, is it true that that number is not a number? It's false. Talk to me, guys. No? Yes? And if I run it again and I give it some text, is it true that this text is not a number? Yes? So the alert should give me a true. The reason I show you the alert by putting is none inside the alert is I want you to know that this particular thing evaluates to true or false. When it is true, the loop ends. Oh, sorry, in this case the loop continues. My bad. While it is true, the loop keeps continuing. Okay? While it is true, the loop keeps continuing. And just to show you that, I'm going to put the alert inside isNaN. So isNaN should return me a true, is not a number, true. Because it's true, loop continues. Delete is not a number, true, loop continues. This is a number, so is not a number is false, and when it becomes false, the loop exits. So the loop continues as long as bracket evaluates to true.